Hey guys, Brewski back again. Alright, so last time I confessed my innermost desire to be a stripper. And then I totally led you down the primrose path. I am not a stripper. I did not go in the red light district. I'm not taking my clothes off again. But what we did do is finally get these guys down to their metal. I'm going to show you exactly how we did it, exactly what the process looks like, what you can expect. I soaked these in simple green for a good 3 days. Most people will say 1 day is totally fine. I did it for 3, whatever, came off. No big deal whatsoever. I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. Alrighty, well, now that we're in the bathroom, I might as well show you the grand experiment. So, I teased you guys about stripping some models. Them's the models. There they be in a vat of simple green. So, why are we doing this in the bathroom, you might ask? Well, it gets rather messy. So, I recommend doing this in a sink so you don't mess things up. You're going to need a toothbrush, preferably one that's been used. You take your model, and you want to be careful because pieces might be loose by this point, and all you do is scrub the heck out of it with your toothbrush. And you'll see that a lot of the paint will just come off really easily if you let it soak long enough, just like it's doing right here. Bare metal, hardly any effort. So you just keep scrubbing and get at the little crannies and try not to fling paint all over the place. Like a bouse. Like a freaking bouse. I'm sure there's a better brush for this somewhere, but I don't have it. I'm not using it. I don't give a crap. Let's get this sucker as clean as we can. You know, my family had a motto in house painting. It went something like, scrape it, fuck it, paint it. That's what we're gonna apply here. That is pretty damn good. Almost entirely bare metal. Next model. And there you have it, easy enough. Paint comes right off. We're down to bare metal and we're ready to get painting these guys up so they look like something we want instead of something we just picked up on eBay. No offense. Anyway, tune in next time. I'll show you the paint job. As always, if you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know things that you'd like to see, questions you might have. Ready for feedback. See you next time.